Hello friends, here is some more solution. Now come to exercise 2b. Our first question is write each of the following in a standard form. First one is 57.36. Here what we have to do? We have to give point after one digit. Then it will be 5.736 into 10. This is the answer. In next one there is 35 and after that there is 5 zeros. It will be 3.5 into 10 to the power 6. Next 273 and then 30 is equal to 2.73 into 10 to the power 5. Next one is 168 and after that there is 6 zeros. Here we have to put the point after 1, then it will be 1.68 into 10 to the power 8. This is the answer. Next one is 463 and here we have 10 zeros. We will put the point here, then it will be 4.63 into 10 to the power 12. Next one is 345 into 10 to the power 5. Here we have to put the point here. It means it will be 3.45 into 10 to the power 7. This is the answer. Now come to next one. Here the question is write each of the following in usual form. It means it is given in a standard form. We have to write it in usual form. First one is 3.74 into 10 to the power 5. First we will remove the decimal. It will become 374 by 100 into 10 to the power 5. That will be 374 by 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 5. Now bases are same, so we will reduce the power. We will minus the power. Then it becomes 374 into 10 to the power 5 minus 2. It is 374 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 374 and then 30. This is the answer. In next one, 6.912 into 10 to the power 8. First we will remove the decimal point. Then it will be 6912 by 1000 because there is 3 digits into 10 to the power 8 is equal to 6912 by 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 8. Now we will subtract the power because here 10 bases are same. Then 6912 into 10 to the power 8 minus 3 is equal to 6912 into 10 to the power 5 is equal to 6912 and then 5 zeros 0 0 0 0 0. This is the answer. Now come to next question, that is 4.1253 into 10 to the power 7. First we will remove the decimal point. It is 41253 by 1 and then it is, because here it is 4 digit 40 into 10 to the power 7 is equal to 41253 by 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 7. Here bases are same, so we will minus the power is equal to 41253 into 10 to the power 7 minus 4 is equal to 41253 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 41253,000. This is the answer. Now next one, 2.5 into 10 to the power 4 is equal to 25 by 10 into 10 to the power 4 is equal to 25 into 10 to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 25 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 25,000. This is the answer. Now come to next question. This is 5.17 into 10 to the power 6. It will be 517 by 100 into 10 to the power 6 is equal to 517 by 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 6 Here we will subtract the power, is equal to 517 into 10 to the power 6 minus 2 is equal to 517 into 10 to the power 4 is equal to 517 and then 40 0 0 0 0. This is the answer. Next one, 1.679 into 10 to the power 9. Here also first we will remove the decimal point, is equal to 1679 by 1000 because it is 3 digit into 10 to the power 9 is equal to 1679 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 9. Here 1679 into 10 to the power 9 minus 3 because we have to divide it is equal to 1679 into 10 to the power 6 is equal to 1679 and then 60 00 00 00. This is the answer. Come to the next question. This is the height of Mount Everest is 8848 meter. Write it in a standard form. So that is 8848 is equal to 8.848 into 1000 meter is equal to 8.848 into 10 to the power 3 meter. This is the answer. Next one is the speed of light is 3 and after that there is 80 meter per second. Express it in a standard form. So the solution will be 3 after that 80 is equal to 3 into 100 00 00 00 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Next question is the distance from the earth to the sun is 1496 and after that it is 80 meter. Write it in a standard form. So first we will write 1496 00 00 00 00 is equal to 1496 into 100 00 00 00. Now we will put the decimal, that is 1.496 into 1000 into 100 00 00 00 is equal to 1.496 into 10 cube into 10 to the power 8, that will be 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. This is the answer. Now next, mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg and mass of moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. What is the total mass of the two? It means we have to add the masses. So first we will see mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24. So we can write it as 597 by 100 into 10 to the power 24. This will be 597 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power 24 is equal to 597 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Now mass of the moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. Now we will add. So 597 into 10 to the power 22 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. That will be 597 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 is equal to 604.35 into 10 to the power 22. Now we will remove the decimal from here to here. It will be 6.0435 into 100 into 10 to the power 22. इज इक्वल टू 6.0435 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 2 यानी कि 10 स्क्वायर इंटू 10 टू द पावर 22 इज इक्वल टू 6.0435 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 24. Unit is kg. Now next one. Write each of the following numbers in standard form. First one is 0.0006. Here it is. After point here it is 30. It means after point there is 4 digit. So we can write it as 6 by 10 to the power 4 is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is the answer. Next one is 0 point. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 and after that 8 3. So we can write it as 83 by 10 to the power 8. Now we will put decimal here, so we can write it as 8.3 into 10 by 10 to the power 8. Now bases are same, so we will subtract the power. It will become 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 7. This is the answer. Third one, here is a number. After point it is 10 digit, so we can write it as 534 by 10 to the power 10. Now by putting decimal डाल देते हैं तो 5.34 इंटू 10 to the power 2 यानी कि 10 स्क्वायर बाई 10 to the power 10 is equal to 534 into 10 to the power minus 8. Next one, 0.0027. You can write it as 27 by 10 to the power 4 is equal to 2.7 into 10 by 10 to the power 4. We will reduce the power. We will subtract the power. So we will get 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is the answer. Next one is 0.0000165. It means here it is 8 digit. We can write it as 165 by 10 to the power 8. अब इसमें डेसिमल डाल देते हैं तो 1.65 इंटू 10 स्क्वायर बाई 10 टू द पावर 8. अब यहाँ क्या करेंगे, पावर को माइनस करेंगे, इज इक्वल टू 1.65 इंटू 10 टू द पावर minus 6. This is the answer. Next one is 0.0000000689. It means here it is 11 digits. So we can write it as 689 by 10 to the power 11. अब यहाँ भी क्या करेंगे, डेसिमल डालेंगे तो 6.89 इंटू 10 स्क्वायर बाई 10 to the power 11 is equal to 6.89 into 10 to the power minus 9. This is the answer. Now come to the next question. This is 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1000000 meter. Express it in standard form. Now the solution is 1 by 1000000 meter. It means here it is 6 digit, that will be 1 by 10 to the power 6. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, 10 जो है वो नीचे है, डिवाइड करना है, तो यहाँ जब इस ऊपर ले जाएंगे तो पावर क्या होगा, माइनस में हो जाएगा. सो इट इज़ 1 इंटू 10 टू द पावर minus 6 मीटर. दिस इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट वन इज साइज ऑफ अ बैक्टीरिया is equal to 0.000004 meter. Express it in standard form. Solution: 0.000004 meter is equal to 4 by, here it will be 70 is equal to 4 by 10 to the power 7 is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. This is the answer. Now come to next one. Thickness of a paper is equal to 0.03 mm. Express it in a standard form. Solution: 0.03 mm is equal to 3 by 100 mm is equal to 3 by 10 square is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 mm. This is the answer. Our next question is, write each of the following numbers in usual form. First one is 2.06 into 10 to the power minus 5. So we can write it as 206 by 100 into 1 by 10 to the power 5. That will be 206 by 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 5. That will be 206 by 10 to the power 7. That is equal to 206 by 1000000 is equal to 0.0000206. Sorry, 0.0000206. This is the answer. Come to next one. Next one is 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. That will be 5 by 10 to the power 7 is equal to 5 by 100000000. It means 70 is equal to 0.0000005. This is the answer. Now next one, 6.82 into 10 to the power minus 6. So we can write it as 682 by 100 into 1 by 10 to the power 6 is equal to 682 by 10 square into 10 to the power 6 is equal to 682 by 10 to the power 8 is equal to 682 by 100000080 here is equal to 0.0000682. This is the answer. Now next one, 5.673 into 10 to the power minus 4. We can write it as 5673 by 1000 into 10 to the power 4 is equal to 5673 by 10 cube into 10 to the power 4 is equal to 5673 by 10 to the power 7 is equal to 5673 by 1000000. Here it is 70 is equal to 0.0005673. This is the answer. Now come to next one. That is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 18 by 10 into 1 by 10 square is equal to 18 by 10 into 10 square is equal to 18 by 10 cube is equal to 18 by 1000 is equal to 0.018. This is the answer. Now come to next one. That is 4.129 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 4129 by 1000 into 1 by 10 cube is equal to 4129 by 10 cube into 10 cube is equal to 4129 by 10 to the power 6 is equal to 4129 by 1000000. That will be 0.004129. This is the answer. This is the end of this exercise. Thank you.